So I wanted to just thank you. We're going to do one more sort of mindfulness thing, and then I'm going to play a song and you can stay. But if you have to go and your kids are yelling at you for lunch, then I totally understand. And I really, really do appreciate you rumbling through some interesting experiments that we had today. Thank you all for your time. I really appreciate you all. It's called a group breath. So we're all, I'm going to count us down from 3 to 1, and we're going to take a big deep inhale together. We're going to hold it for 3 seconds, and then we're going to let it out. We're going to do it as one big group team breath. So we're going to take an inhale in on 3, 2, 1. Hold it, 3, 2, 1, and let it out. High five, everybody. Okay, and now I'll play my song for you,
Thank
Diana.
you.
It's really for me.
Thank you so much, Jay.
Thank
so
you.
much for this.
Thank you. It was great.
You guys hear it?
A flock of birds hovering above, just a flock of birds. That's how you think of love, and I always look up to the sky, pray before the dawn, 'cause they fly always. Sometimes they arrive, sometimes they are gone. They fly.